Hey guys, back for another video. I told y'all I was gonna give y'all 4 parts to this because it's just so much information and I don't have time to do like a 2-hour video. So let's unpack this just based on all the information that I have previously given you guys with regards to Tasha K, and her bankruptcy filing chapter 11. Okay, so let me I'm gonna go to I have my computer. I'm just gonna go here to the internet because I explained it to you guys, but I'm just gonna tell you what what the internet says because I know what I'm talking about. Some people was well, I'm not gonna say some people. A weirdo was in the comments. If you don't like what I'm saying, weirdo, just you don't have to listen. But let me just make sure you understand. I have plenty to do. That's why I graduated with a master's, honey. I have a lot going on. Clout chasing is not something that I need to do. This is facts. So if you don't have anything better to do, find something like go play in traffic. Don't come over here with your bullshit. Sorry, y'all. So back to what I was saying. I just had to clear that up. Do not come over here. The only clout chaser is Tasha K. Okay, so let's get back to it. So let's talk about a chapter 11. So a chapter 11 bankruptcy is for a reorganization to keep a business afloat. That is what a chapter 11 bankruptcy, as I have already stated to you guys, a chapter 11 bankruptcy, it is for a business. So what a chapter 11 bankruptcy does is it gets you the opportunity to reorganize your business. There are businesses that, go through different stuff, and instead of closing the business, they can file a chapter 11 to reorganize the structure of the business. This is where the issue comes in. Tasha K filed a chapter 11 for a business that she said she does not own. She said her husband owned the business. So if her husband owned the business, then why would she be filing it, including her debts as a person? Now, it's not like she filed a chapter 13 or a chapter 7, because a chapter 13 and a chapter 7, that is for individuals. She filed a chapter 11, which makes no sense. So this is why I'm telling you guys what I don't understand what this lady is doing. So let me break down the terms of bankruptcy fraud. I told you what it is, but I'm going to the dictionary and I'm going to read it to you. Bankruptcy fraud, the act of falsifying information when filing for bankruptcy. It may also take the form of filing for bankruptcy to deceive creditors. What is happening here? Tasha K has already testified saying her husband makes $23,000 a month and she makes $3,000 a month. How much is that? 23 plus 3. Isn't that like 26,000? That's the amount that she's saying. Whatever her husband makes, she's married to him, is her income as well. So if she's making $26,000, and then if you look at the bankruptcy petition, which I'm going to get a copy of, if you look at that, the things that she's listed that she owes are her personal debts. And then she falsified that as well because she included Cardi B's attorney. She's not responsible for paying Cardi B's attorneys. This is what I'm saying. She's falsifying the bankruptcy petition, which is fraud, and it's a federal crime. Another thing she did, she listed assets when she was asked by the court, where are the bags, the Louis Vuitton bags? She stated she didn't know where they were. Come on now. You don't have to be smart to be able to figure this out. She indicated that her rent is $2,500. She said they said, how much is the rent? They never said, how much do you pay? The rent, ma'am, how much is the rent? And she said the rent is $2,500. After they conducted a analysis of their own, They found out that the rent is actually $5,500. And she says, oh, $2,500 is my portion. Again, lie after lie after lie. This is fraud. This is fraud. As far as her business, the definition of bankruptcy says the act of falsifying information when filing for bankruptcies or an attempt to deceive creditors. She had a $400,000 judgment against her business. So instead of filing the bankruptcy with the business and including this judgment, she went and changed the business name, which meant she's deceiving the creditors, but then started a new business that's doing a similar thing. That doesn't make any sense. Somebody make it make sense. If I close down my business, why would I go open up another one the same week or the same day that's doing the same thing? You know why? Because my prior business has been sued and I don't want to utilize that name anymore. This is very clear. Unfortunately, the facts is the facts. I don't make up stuff. I don't lie on people. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, I don't know what is going on with her. The sad part about it is she has an attorney. I've in the past, when I was younger, filed bankruptcy. I never recall it being this difficult. You actually go in there, they ask you a few questions, and you are gone. Like, I've never had a situation where creditors show up. This is how you know this is serious. Creditors normally do not show up. She actually have people showing up to her meeting of the creditors. They don't do that. They don't. The fact that they is a red flag. Another issue is this lady has an attorney. Why is her attorney not saying anything? Generally, when you have an attorney, they speak for you. So I find it very hard to believe that her attorney, well, I'm not going to say I find it very hard to believe. I don't understand why her attorney is allowing her to speak and not answering the questions for her. It just seems like sabotage. So there is a lot going on, but ultimately, I do believe that it's going to be something bad that's going to happen with this. If you go back to Cardi B's previous video, what was it, last week or a few days ago, where she said, you're embezzling, you're going to jail. She is telling Tasha what is going to happen, because when you commit bankruptcy fraud, it is a felony and punishable by prison. So the worst that can happen to her at this moment, they can definitely dismiss her bankruptcy. They can dismiss the bankruptcy petition, which means they do not have to allow it to move forward because she did not provide accurate information. The next thing that can happen is she can be charged with a crime. And then also, if they dismiss this bankruptcy, she will have no protection under federal law, which means Cardi can take everything. So I believe what she's doing is going to be to her detriment. So this is part 3, video 3. I'm going to do one more video to kind of pull it all together. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Have a great rest of your day. Talk to you later. Bye.